had a disastrous run when we started off, first of all, which was causing us a severe amount of stress, just reliability issues with everything. And we'd gone down an engine route which had been recommended to us, which turned out to be a dead end, basically. We were dealing with Julian from Mermaid Marine, who was absolutely brilliant with us, and Julian recommended the JCB engines, and we haven't looked back since. It's been absolutely unbelievable. My name is Danny Rees. The name of the company is Cardiff Boat Tours Limited, and we've been in business for 7 years now, and the business is doing really well. I mean, this last year the boat has carried probably in excess of 90,000 passengers. The boat runs a scheduled service from Cardiff Bay up to the city centre. This boat, we use JCB 444, which is about 80 horsepower, and we've just ordered engine number 3. We have one in the boat and one spare at all times. Our boat is hydraulic drive, so the engine is absolutely perfect in that it provides torque right the way through the range, and it works superbly well with us. We're very limited for space in the engine room on this boat, so the fact that it was a compact unit was a real advantage, and literally as soon as we started it up, we knew that things were going to be better. This sounds stupid, but everyone after the first week or so started to relax visibly, because we just knew that we got the right piece of kit for the boat. We also have a bow thruster on the boat, and that means that instead of one alternator on the engine, there's 2. So there's the normal alternator and then a 24-volt alternator for the bow thruster batteries. JCB Power Systems were incredibly helpful with the way they altered the engine so that it had 2 alternators, which works really, really well for us. For us, the really main standout feature is the reliability. It is an incredible piece of kit. The one engine which is in the boat now is the first engine we had, which has done about 7,500 hours. That engine is actually sold, and there'll be a brand new engine coming to be fitted on the boat later this month. The fact that when we're running, a lot of people comment and say, oh, you've got an electric drive boat, and we say no, it's actually a diesel engine and hydraulic drive, but the boat is incredibly quiet, which from our point of view of carrying passengers is again a real plus point. I would thoroughly recommend JCB engines. They are reliable. For our point of view, it was a compact unit as well, which helped immensely in a very sort of tight, confined engine room. And as I said, the reliability, I would say, is second to none. The JCB engine has been really like putting new wine in an old bottle. It's fantastic, and it just gives us peace of mind. We know that it's going to do what we want it to do during the day.